Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, a rough end of the week, because what had been going on, to offer up a little context, was that the bulls, started to make an appearance in the sense of they were grinding upwards very, very nicely. I mean, just over time, it was a matter of just, slowly working their way higher and higher and higher. And then this morning happened. And, what was the problem with this morning? Well, problem assuming you're along. I mean, if you're short, then this was not a problem at all for you. But the issue from the technical event that happened was not only did the price break down below that orange line right there, which represented the trend line, but it also broke down below that purple line, which in the world of charts, on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. And in the world of charts, the 50-period moving average is a very, very well-known area. In fact, I mean, you can call it a self-fulfilling prophecy if you want to. My point is that even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average. And so as that all plays out here, you can see that basically there is kind of the purple line and that orange line were essentially valued at the same thing. And then this morning, the price broke down through it. So it's not shocking at all to see the price, get quite a bit of a driftward, downwards move from there. So the trend line has been violated. And not only has the trend line been violated, now the 50-period moving average has been violated. And while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, given that was a pretty significant move, it would not be shocking at all to see the price now go down there and retest these lows around $1.57, which if that did happen, that would be a very interesting scenario because the past track record has shown that whenever the price has gotten around $1.57, there's always been buyers down there. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, so myself nor anyone else can say that the price is for sure going down to $1.57. But given, like I said, the trend line break and the break of the 50 period, it's not very irrational. It's not really a big leap of faith or a gutsy call to think that the price could indeed go down to the $1.57 mark. Now, in the event the price tries to turn itself around, well, then the key level of resistance is now all about that purple line there. So the sooner the price can get back above that valued right now at $1.69. So the sooner the price gets above $1.69, the better going into next week. Because as of right now, the status is a total breakdown, and we'll see if the bulls can try to recover or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.